Here they come. They're off. Pastor Clint, Mr. Strata leaving there along with Fear. Then along the inside, Foxville Diamo. Trotting into the first turn, it's Fear who's coming away with that early lead. Mr. Strata continuing along. Outside of the leader, Foxville Diamo trotting in third. Pastor Clint settled in fourth. We're going to gap a couple of Foxville Sir. Primed and powerful Storm wins. The gapping trailer now as Fear is loose out front at the quarter. Mr. Strata working in behind the leader there. They hit the opening quarter and Trot past. Reached in quick 28-1 for Fear, who's out front cutting the mile. Mr. Strata traveling second. Long shot, Foxville Diamo. Trotting in line to the leader's third. Slight gap there to Pastor Clint sitting in fourth. 4.5 way to leader. Now Foxville Sir is shadowed by Primed and Powerful, who's attempting to rally uncovered to the leader. Struggling and way back is the 7. Storm wins. Fear remains the one to get. With Mr. Strata in tow to the half mile, Pastor Clint is tipped out first over to third, 58-2 for the half. Foxville Diamo, a shuffled fourth now. Underway there is Primed and Powerful, who's second over to fifth. Struggling to hold the leaders there is Foxville Sir, and well back as Storm wins. Fear's lead is 1.5. Pastor Clint trotting evenly outside the leader, inside to Mr. Strata. Primed and Powerful perched off the leaders there. Ground-saving journey throughout for the 1, Foxville Diamo. Nearing 3/4 of a mile, it remains Fear. They trot past in 1:28-3. Fear continuing along. Pastor Clint outside of the leader there. Break the 6. Primed and Powerful. It's Fear now up and alongside his Pastor Clint. Mr. Strata waiting to power up the pylons. The long shot. Foxville Diamo is gaining ground. Pastor Clint, here comes Foxville Diamo. Looking for the huge upset here. Pastor Clint, Foxville Diamo up and alongside the leader. Pastor Clint, Foxville Diamo, then Fear. Mr. Strata, 159-3. Numbers on the board, unofficial 4125. Reporting Pastor Clint, the Powerful Emotion 2-year-old bay gelding, Illinois conceived in full for owners Thomas Earl Pollard and the Dirk Simpson State.